Okay, movie fans and Austin Powers aficionados, here you go. Boy, this thing has gotten so much traffic on the internet leading up to Kissimmee. It's the Shaguar.
Yeah, this was one of the top cars being viewed on the Mecum website leading up to Kissimmee.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Baby.
Yeah. Oh, please.
I'm done. I'm done.
Love you, man. Yeah, this, right-hand drive, but the mechanicals, nothing really unusual right there. That's not the story on this car. Obviously, it was in all three Austin Powers motion pictures. And there was not a double car produced for these films. This is the only car that was used that Michael Myers drove and tooled around with Elizabeth Hurley. And look at the bidding. Wow. Yeah.
Okay, normal money for a 67 E-Type Series 1, Bill and Steve Matchett, certainly not $650,000.
No, I would say a condition 1 67 E-Type, 200 maybe?
Max? Yeah.
Somewhere around there.
675! Well, it's a cool car. It's got a great history. It was in all three movies.
Yep.
And I've just been up when you guys were describing it. I was just having a look around the livery and the quality of the paint. It's very well done.
Yeah, they had just increased the displacement on that six-cylinder engine the year before up to the 4.2. And I guess we know Michael Myers can drive a standard. This has a 4-speed in it.
25, now 50, 750, 750, 750.
I wonder if he had to learn how to drive the right-hand drive.
Yeah, that's
standard.
Yeah.
It's a little different.
He's much more than driving a left-hand drive Jaguar for sure.
And this reserve is off. $800,000. Get 7.5. $800,000.
The reserve is off.
$800,000 for the Jaguar. $800,000 bid. $800,000
Asking
bid.
$800,000.
Yeah, 750.
Yeah, baby!
800 is bid. 850.
That's what we do.
Reserve is off. The cars for sale. 850. 850. 800 bid. 850. Get it in with a bit of do. $800,000.
Did you ever see the video with Madonna this car was in?
In the music video as well, correct?
Yeah, it was in that, yeah.
Sold $800,000. Sold $800,000 free.
That is pretty cool.
1981 DeLorean with a V6 and a 5-speed, built as an exacting time machine configuration replica known as the Flying DeLorean from Back to the Future Part 2, and was used as a movie promotional display.